How to link and unlink EA account with Steam. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can link and unlink EA account with Steam. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to ea.com, and if you are already logged in, you're going to simply log out for a fresh login. Once you're redirected to the EA website, you're going to head over, click on this profile icon, and then you're going to click on sign in. So you'll be redirected to an interface like this. You're going to click on Steam over here and simply log in with your Steam credentials. Type down your Steam username and password. A verification code will be sent to your email, so simply type that down. After that, they will ask you to sign into Electronic Arts using your Steam account, so you're going to click on sign in over here and then click on allow. So now your EA account has successfully been linked with Steam. Now, if you wish to unlink it, you're going to head over to your profile again, click on account settings, and then here you're going to click on connected accounts, scroll down, and you'll be able to see Steam over here. So you're going to click on unlink, and then they will send a verification code to your Gmail again. Type that verification code and click on submit. Here you're going to scroll down, click on I understand and wish to continue, click on unlink, and then your Steam account has been unlinked from your EA account. So that is basically how you can link and unlink your EA account with Steam. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.